Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 quick Power Query tricks that you can use in Excel. The first trick that we're going to learn is how to detect the data type. So you use detect data type when you want to know what kind of data this is. So to do that, I'm just going to click on the table here and then go into data and then go to from table/range, and it will open in Power Query Editor. So once we've done this, we're going to go into the transform tab and then control, and I'm just going to click on both of them and then go to detect data type and press that. I already have it detected, so it's not going to change anything. But trick number 2 is how to get rid of this change type step further. So every time we open data in Power Query Editor, it will always come up with a change type, and you have to delete it all the time. But if you don't want to keep deleting that, what you can do is go into File and go into Options and Settings, and then Query Options. So I'll click on Query Options, and it will pop up with this. Now I'm going to go into 2 places and to turn this off. So first I'm going to go here into data load and go click on never detect column types and headers for unstructured sources. And then after that I'm going to go back into this data load and make sure that this is off. So once we do that, I'm going to go OK. And now that I've done that, I'm just going to X on this and we're going to reload the data. So I'm going to exit out of here and discard this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into this. And as you can see, the change type will not pop up. So it's been deleted forever. Trick number 3 is useful if you want to take a look at functions that you can use. And to do that, I'm going to go into this FX button and delete source and then hashtag shared. It'll come up red, and if I go enter, it shows you all the functions that you can use, and if you click on them, it will show you the documentation of the function. Now that I've loaded my data, trick number 4 is how to protect your data. So to do that, just select your data and then go into the Review tab, and then it says Protect Workbook. So if I do that, then you can give a password. So it's optional. But if I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Now your data is safe. And to check if it's safe or not, you can just right click here, and as you can see, it doesn't let you edit, delete, rename. It doesn't let you do anything. So if you go back here and it asks for your password, then you can unlock the data and you can edit it. And those were 4 Power Query tricks that you can use in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel and hopefully you guys learned something from this video.